another Windows update just getting in my way. I can't get anything done. Isn't that how you feel? Well, I'm going to show you what to do to prevent that from happening all too often. Stay tuned and I'm going to walk you through. So click on the Start button, go to Settings, and then you're going to click on Windows Update. Now here you're going to see Pause Updates. It says pause for 1 week. Well, let's click on that, and you're going to see you have up to 5 weeks to choose from. If you go with 5, that's kind of dangerous because you need updates. Let's say 3 weeks, just for safety's sakes. It says you could extend it for another week, or you could resume the updates. Either way, what you want to do is make sure that you're going to get updates. Now, your work won't get interrupted by extending the updates or pausing it for whatever period of time you chose. So it's on your schedule now, not on Windows. I hope you found this to be helpful. Click like, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. My name is Paul. This is Computer Dr. Tech. Thanks for watching.